I'm Dr. Dave Armstrong, and I'd like to explain to you this morning how I prescribe special glasses for reading to be used by people who have low vision, reduced vision for macular degeneration, diabetes, glaucoma, a variety of other problems. Many people have discovered that if they use a hand magnifying glass, they are able to read better. And a hand magnifying glass can be very helpful for situations where you're not reading for very long, looking at the controls of your microwave, looking at your thermostat, maybe reading a menu in a restaurant, prices in a store, things of that sort. A hand magnifier can be very helpful. If people tell me that they have a very hard time reading a newspaper or a book with a hand magnifier, it's almost impossible to sign a check while holding a magnifier in one hand. So to make things easier and allow people to do more reading, I often prescribe special low vision glasses. And I'll show you three different types that I use very commonly. First of all, this pair is what's called prismatic glasses. And if you take a good look at them, you'll see that the lenses are much thicker here on the nasal side than they are out here on the temporal side. The reason for that is that allows people to use their two eyes together as a team when they're looking at something quite close to them. And with a strong lens like this, it does focus close to the face, several inches away, but quite close. And because it's close, it's bigger. The closer you are to something, the bigger it is, easier it is to see. So prismatic glasses can be very helpful to many people. However, we're rather limited in the prescriptions that we're able to get in prismatic glasses. So when somebody requires more magnification or has a more difficult prescription, then what I most often use is this. This is called a clear image microscope, and you can see that that right lens is stronger certainly than the left lens. It's also quite a bit thicker, as you might guess. One of the reasons it's thicker is that there are two lenses in that side. They're in there back to back. We're able to get better quality focus, better vision by using two lenses correctly rather than putting the same power in only one lens. So clear image microscope is something that works very nicely for lots of people for reading. Those two types of glasses focus rather close to the person's face. And I want to show you another way of doing it that we can make focus farther away. This is a pair of telescopic glasses that have been modified to focus up close for reading. They don't focus as close as the others, which is nice because you can hold your book a little farther away, or you could use them for a computer. I can prescribe them for the distance that you sit from your computer and give you the magnification that you need to see your computer screen better. They're really nice for an iPad or a Kindle, one of those little devices, because with the magnification in the glasses, it's not necessary to enlarge the words so much on the screen, meaning that you get more words on the screen. It's much easier to read when you can see more words. So this works very nicely for a Kindle or an iPad or one of those type devices. There's a little bonus that comes with this kind of glasses, and that is that if I remove this additional lens from the front of the telescopes, now I can prescribe the glasses so that this part of it focuses at, say, television distance. If I know the distance you sit from television, I can make this focus at the television distance and make it easier for you to see your television screen. So by using it this way, you can see the television screen. By adding the little cap to it, both sides, you can focus up close for reading. This is a very nice type of glasses for reading. Now, if you're one of those folks who has trouble with your reading because you've lost vision from some eye disease, I would be happy to talk with you and help you decide if this would be appropriate for you. I can ask you a few questions on the phone and tell you whether you're a candidate for this type of glasses. Give me a call at 1-866-321-2030. I'll be looking for your call, and thank you for watching the video.